deciding on choosing between Procore and Buildertrend, here's the real question. Do you need a powerful enterprise system, or something simpler that just helps you manage projects without stress? Procore is a full construction management platform built for large teams and complex projects. In real workflows, it connects everything scheduling, budgeting, documents, communication into one system so everyone on a project stays aligned. It's widely used by contractors, engineers, and large construction companies managing multiple projects at once. Pricing is not publicly fixed and is usually customized based on company size and needs, often billed annually. There's no free plan, but demos or trials may be available. That means it's more of a premium, enterprise-level tool, and companies typically start seeing ROI after improving efficiency and reducing costly mistakes. But it does have a downside. It can be expensive and takes time to learn, especially for small teams or beginners. Buildertrend is designed more for small to mid-sized construction businesses, especially home builders and remodelers. In real workflows, it helps manage jobs, communicate with clients, track progress, and handle scheduling and payments in a simpler way. Pricing is usually more transparent, starting around the mid-range monthly subscription, often with a free trial available. That makes it easier to start quickly and even begin earning right away by managing projects more professionally and improving client communication. But I found some downside. It's not as powerful as Procore for large-scale or highly complex projects, so bigger companies may outgrow it. So in practice, Procore is best if you're running large projects, managing multiple teams, and need a full enterprise system. Buildertrend is better if you're a small business or contractor who wants something simple, faster to learn, and easier to manage daily work. They do compete directly, but here's the real difference. Procore gives you deep control, advanced features, and scalability for large operations, while Buildertrend gives you simplicity, faster setup, and a smoother experience for smaller teams. If this helped you decide, consider liking the video, subscribe for more simple comparisons, and catch you in the next one.